Okay, it is day one of Vlogmas 2023. Did you miss me? I missed me. Anyways, this morning, I have dropped off CupCake to get his dental cleaning, and I am praying that he doesn't have to have any teeth pulled. So that is what was up on my agenda for the first part of the morning. I am heading home now, probably to do a little bit of cleaning. The kitchen needs to be reset, and since CupCake is out of the house, it's easier to clean. So we'll see, and maybe I can stop by Starbucks. What do you guys want me to talk about this year during Vlogmas? I have a few pre-planned videos for you, so I'm excited to get those up, and I'll probably be editing those over the weekend so that I can schedule those for next week. But yeah, tell me what you want to see. Hey, are you a little bit high? Come on, can we make it? Let's go. No, this way. Good job, buddy. Good job. No extractions. Yay. CupCake. Let mommy see the teepees. Where's the teepees? Say teepees. Clean. Y'all, my poor baby is high as a kite. He don't know whether he's coming or going. I've had to sit him down on his blanket like a couple times already. We just got home. Oh, yeah, here we go. Poor baby. Just lay down. Just lay down.
On us and 4 lines of unlimited for $25 a line.
What do you think of the jacket? You look like a marshmallow.